Hello, good afternoon. This is why CRS year 2018 past question. Question number 33 says, which of these people were sons of Zebedee? A. Peter and John. B. James and Simon. C. Andrew and Peter. D. John and James. The correct option here is option D, John and James. We find this in the Bible, that is the book of Matthew. In the book of Matthew, in the book of in the book of Matthew chapter 4 verse 21. Then we can also find it in another reference, which is the book of Mark chapter 1 verse 19. So thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.